This is Estes Checkmate. It's a two-stage mini rocket. So it has A10 3T as the primary stage, an A10 0T as the booster, and then an A10 3T as the primary stage. We're hoping for about 800 feet. It will recover on a 12-inch streamer. We have a light in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Nice. Went straight up. Here comes the booster stage down here, and I can see the rocket coming down on the streamer drifting way over that way. And it is probably going to land up in the trees, maybe if we're lucky at the edge of the tree line. Mind you, this is going, it's coming down nicely in the trees.